Lisa Robin Kelly had been reported to have long battled with chronic alcoholism. Kelly reportedly stated that she began to excessively drink after suffering a miscarriage during her tenure on That 70s Show. Kelly was arrested multiple times on charges related to driving under the influence and domestic violence during the last few years of her life. She was first arrested in August 2010 for a DUI charge in North Carolina, where she pleaded guilty. She was given a sentence of 1 year of unsupervised probation along with a fine. At about 12:50 a.m. on March 31, 2012, Kelly was arrested in Los Angeles for a felony charge of corporal injury against her ex-boyfriend, John Mikas, who filed a claim of assault by Kelly to the Los Angeles Police Department. Kelly was released on a bail of $50,000. Lisa Robin Kelly's disheveled appearance in the mugshot for this arrest drew public concern and scrutiny towards Kelly, who had later denied rumors of drug or alcohol abuse during an April 2012 interview on Good Morning America. Kelly had alleged that she had been sober for the past 3 months and that she was the one being allegedly abused by Mikas. Kelly also accused Mikas of inflicting injuries upon himself. Kelly expressed interest in making a career comeback during the interview. The charges against Kelly for her March 2012 arrest were later dropped by the Los Angeles County District Attorney. Kelly married a 61-year-old man named Robert Joseph Gilliam in October 2012. In an interview taken with Inside Edition taken after Kelly's death, Gilliam stated that Kelly was homeless before they became married, living in her car. He claimed that Kelly had been sober when they became married but had relapsed and began abusing painkillers after a back injury. On November 26, 2012, Kelly was arrested again after a domestic dispute with Gilliam at their home in Mooresville, North Carolina. Kelly and Gilliam were both arrested on suspicion of assault misdemeanors against each other. The two were subsequently given bond the morning of November 27, 2012. Kelly would officially file for divorce from Gilliam in June 2013. In the early morning hours of June 23, 2013, California Highway Patrol officers responded to a report of a stalled car belonging to Kelly blocking traffic on the Interstate 5 freeway in Burbank, California. Originally intending on assisting Kelly with moving her vehicle, officers drew suspicion of possible intoxication and conducted a field sobriety test on Kelly, which she failed. Kelly was subsequently arrested and charged with another DUI offense. She was released on a bail of $5,000. On August 10, 2013, Kelly was reportedly sent to the hospital by her partner with an exorbitant blood alcohol level of 0.34. Lisa Robin Kelly would voluntarily check herself into PACS rehab house on August 12, 2013, to battle the addiction problems that have plagued her these past few years, according to a statement from her agent Craig Wyckoff after her death. Wyckoff went on further, saying, "I spoke to her on Monday, and she was hopeful and confident, looking forward to putting this part of her life behind her." On August 15, 2013, Kelly was discovered dead in the rehab facility. She was only 43 years old. Inedal Media reports stated that Kelly had died in her sleep on the night of August 14, 2013, although her official death certificate listed her death coming on August 15. Kelly was reportedly scheduled for a hearing in court concerning her divorce to Robert Joseph Gilliam on the day of her death. Up to her death, Danny Masterson and Kurtwood Smith, who were co-stars with Kelly on That 70s Show, had paid tribute to Kelly online. American actress Mackenzie Phillips also shared comments about Kelly on social media, stating, "Rest in peace, Lisa Robin Kelly. #So said I didn't know Lisa, but in a way, she is me. And I am her. #Theorize a solution." An immediate autopsy returned back initial inconclusive results for a definitive cause of Kelly's death. After the return of toxicology test results from Kelly's body, the Los Angeles County Coroner's Office ruled on January 3, 2014, that the cause of Kelly's death was an intoxication of multiple drugs. The specific drugs in Kelly's system were not immediately identified. On June 9, 2014, Robert Joseph Gilliam filed a wrongful death lawsuit against the PACS rehab house. Gilliam accused the rehab facility of negligence and had requested damages of an unspecified amount. Lisa Robin Kelly gravesite is located at Forest Lawn East Cemetery in Weddington, North Carolina.